St. Louis Union Station. Lots of new things coming. 2 of them already open. Got the soda shop. Has some specialty malts and drinks and all kinds of yummy stuff. Has the observation.
The Stanley Cup's up there.
Oh, is it? All right, thank you. All right, thank you. Oh, wow, we just heard that the Stanley Cup's up there if we want a picture too. St. Louis Blues. We also have the St. Louis Aquarium coming later on. Oh, look at all the neat trains. This used to be a bustling hub for travel here in St. Louis. Alrighty. Ooh, the blue Stanley Cup, how amazing. So we come down for the wheel opening and the gentleman says that we have the Stanley Cup here for the St. Louis Blues. Pretty amazing. Alright, thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.
That's cool. This is the horde of people at the Stanley Cup. We just made it. Well, there's the home. They're running late. We gotta give them some space. Here is the new soda fountain. Ice cream, candy, burgers, and booze. Looks like a pretty neat place here. Got an Anheuser-Busch pop-up thing coming on. That's pretty nice. Union Station Carousel.
So 15 and 10. Well, we had to put 15 twice.
Got adults 15, children 10 for the St. Louis wheel.
We got our tickets.
Lots of construction still going on out here for the aquarium, but it's definitely a nice area. It's coming together really well.
Oh, and style.
There is the VIP glass bottom gondola that just came around. Looks like it's colored in all black and has a glass bottom. There it is, number 42.
No, just
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Want to go first?
Perfect. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you. No, we keep them.
I'm scared. I'm worried that this is upside down.
No, it doesn't go upside down. So what are your first impressions?
Scared? It's very scared. Wobbly. Because it moved right whenever I got on. That's why I did not want to go first.
Yeah. Isn't that nice and cool in here, though.
Nice, very nice and cool. Yeah.
Oh, it's coming from the ground.
Yeah, up there. Nice.
Just
Here.
Wow. So this observation wheel is 200 feet tall. It has a cool 1.6 million LED lights that can change to any color. It is amazing at nighttime. Whoa!
This one's good. Oh my god, that's an actual tire.
So we are off.
And there is a tire right there, like a car tire.
Let's see what kind of views we can get.
Whoa, I'm scared. We're going to go backwards.
Well, you can see the top of Union Station over there.
I'm seeing the top of the arch.
Oh, yeah, the top of the arch might be peeking through here in just a minute. So this would comfortably sit 6 people.
One.
Maybe even more if you,
8-person max.
Okay, so an 8-person max. We're only a group of 3, so I have plenty of room, and they have plenty of room over there also.
My 64 over there.
Oh, we're up the top, I think. Here we were.
Then look behind you, say little people. Oh, we got to see the tire. Did you get the tire, Dad? Did you get the tire? This is so weird how a tire Look at that tire. Hey, get the other side of the tire. Look at the tire.
There's only one rotation. Yeah. Oh, maybe. There we go. And that is a good thing to know is they do have an emergency button up top there. So if there's an urgent emergency or something just is crazy, the button's up there.
Like the song you, right?
Yeah, maybe, or something. I don't know. I think we're the crescendo of the top here. What are you scared for? You're fine. So downtown, you can see the arch. You can see the Blues Stadium. We got a peek at the City Museum over there. To our left, you can see all the happenings going on in Union Station, of course, because you're at Union Station. This is definitely not as scenic as the other side, looking downtown. We can see the IKEA. So what do you guys think? You think the nighttime would be pretty cool too?
Yeah.
With all the lights, all the city lights and everything? Daytime is good for distance of viewing. Nighttime would probably be a really, really neat experience just for all the different lights. And at nighttime, you have the added benefit of seeing all the LEDs lit up. 1.6 million of them, all lit up.
Tire. Look, that's an actual car tire, guys.
So I would definitely say this is a really neat thing to be able to do.
Especially with car tires.
This is definitely something that's fun to do. I think the kids like it. Abby, you like it?
Yes.
Nice. It is. It's a lot of fun.
I'm recording now. And there's a little wooden bitty Ferris wheel over there. That's the City Museum.
So maybe sometime we'll have to ride the City Museum wheel. Bigger isn't always better, so that might have a lot of neat things about it too. What do you guys think about this?
Scary/cool.
Scary/cool.
Sometimes it always wrong.
I think it's a lot of fun. Something worth doing once.
Yeah, I definitely think so. At least once. Come out here and check it out.
But it's cool even though it rocks. There's just rocks as a little...
How can something rock but not be cool? If it rocks, it's cool.
No,
sometimes I confuse her. It's okay.
Sometimes you confuse me. What do you think about the St. Louis wheel so far?
I like it. It's a lot of fun.
I'm hoping that after they've been open for a while, maybe they'll have some Groupon deals or something like that. Maybe we can come back and check it out at night. We can find a good discount.
We can fast.
Definitely, definitely.
Our ride is coming to an end.
Alright guys, we'll be back.
Thank you.
It's a little disorienting.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good afternoon, guys.
You too. So they got some shirts here, 20 bucks. Not bad for a nice t-shirt.
$20.
Got some blue ones, some ball caps. So it looks like down here at the Union Station, they have a fire and light show going on, a spectacular show synchronized to music at the lake out here. So the size of the blue tape is actually the size of the gondolas that were on the 1904 World's Fair wheel. That is pretty big compared to what we were just in. Thanks guys for joining us today at Union Station. We had a fun time on the observation wheel. Definitely a lot more stuff to come out here and do. Had the carousel, have a fire show at the lake, and a soda fountain shop that I want to check out too maybe. Thank you guys so much for joining us though. I hope you guys had a great time. I know that we did.
Thank you guys